Okay, so here's a room tour of room 7136, ocean view with the veranda, and this one's accessible, fully accessible. So to get in, you're gonna scan in here and the door will automatically open. And as you can see, it's very wide. So we were able to fit, traveling with my in-law, and she has a mobility scooter. You can see that there's plenty of room for it. And as you come in, you have a small closet here. This is where your phone is, so this is a nice king bed. Typical Disney touches. And you have this cool decoration that you typically see. The lights are here on the side. You can see with the Wonder, so we've done the Dream and the Fantasy, and some of the accessories you can tell look a little bit older, which is not surprising. It's like a 20-year plus ship. And then let's say more drawer space right here. We have some plugs here. Looks like some regular USA style plugs. More lighting here on the other side. You got a small mirror here so you can see how good you look when you go for dinner. Small TV, more drawer space right here. Of course, we got our welcome package as we order this time a Cloudum, bottle of Cloudum just to cheer. Some glasses do come available, so you can pour yourself a glass of wine if you brought your own. Looks like more buttons here. I'm not sure what these do. Oh, so they open like some of the other lights. And then you have a 220 plug, and then looks like some more US switches. You can tell this has been added, relatively new, because it has the USB ports. And then this is gonna be your fridge. Pretty small, so you can cool some beers, waters. More drawer space here. I think this is where you're gonna see I think your room menus here, like if you're trying to do like room service like in the morning, that's all gonna be in here, or typically it's in here. Some postcards that you can take home. Oh, here it is. This is what I was trying to show. So if you want to do room service, this is what you're gonna use to hang outside the door. Bunch of more drawer space. Here's a couch. It looks like this room will sit up to 4 people, so obviously this turns into a bed, and you have the bed above, which you'll have to ask a cast member to obviously unlock. So yeah, very nice and spacious. Here's the big closet. So lots of space. Let's see, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 10 hangers, so not bad. Life jackets here at the top, a lot more space. You can definitely fit like some suitcases in there. This is interesting. I'm not sure the point of the stairs since it's an accessible room. And then let me show you what this side looks like. So even more space right here. And looks like, is this to drag the thing? Oh yeah. So if you have someone that doesn't quite reach, you can just pull it. So that's cool. Even more hangers. So about 10 again. So yeah, lots of space for your stuff. And now let's come to the restroom here. This is where it's a little weird. So there's not buttons. I've seen some accessible ones where you press a button and the door opens. This you do have to grab yourself. And it has this mechanism so the door stays open, obviously to give you time, but it is a little bit tight. Like I don't know how you're supposed to get in here if you're like in just a mobility scooter. Luckily she has a walker so she can get in, but you can see it's very spacious. It is a roll-in shower, so it's a flat surface, so when you come in you can roll from here to the bathroom. There's handlebars all over, the grab bars all over the place. There's a thing to sit on. So yeah, fully accessible. And it's got the adjustable shower, and it has your typical sea salt products here. So yeah, bathroom is nice and spacious. And then it has this emergency button, so if your loved one, hopefully nothing happens, but if they do fall, they need to call for help, you just press that button and they'll come in and help you. So yeah, nice, very spacious room. But here's the best part, because this is a balcony. This nice, extended, huge balcony. How are you guys liking the balcony?
Good. Really good.
Having a balcony party here, so that's nice. So 1, 2, you get 2 lounge chairs, 1, 2, 2 chairs, and a small table. So that's nice. Then if you're coming here, if you're in the back, if you have our angle,
You can see the planes.
you can see the planes come in. You can see the marina here, the pier. Oh yeah, look, Southwest plane here landing.
Yep. Oh my. See it?
So yeah, this is nice for like spot scene. So yeah, that's the room. Hopefully this is helpful. If you have any more questions about it, let us know. But yeah, for now, I think this will do for the next 4 days, and we'll report back on any other oddities or things we notice in our sailing. All right, now let's do room 718. So this is going to be a regular ocean view with the veranda. And this is near the back of the ship. Alright, now that the lights are on, so let's start with the closets as you come in. So very similar to the accessible we just did. About the same amount of hangers. Plenty of space for your stuff here. And if we go this way, we got more space. There's another one of those ladders. I guess this is to reach here if you can, but it's funny that they're in the accessible rooms. Anyway, so this is your safe, laundry basket. So here's your drawers, so lots of space here. Your glasses are gonna be this way, same portrait of Walt on this side. And then you got more drawer space here in the middle. Let's see what else here is in the back. More drawer space. Here's the bed. The mirror looks like it's positioned a little bit differently. And then you have on the right side, you got 2 plugs, 2 regular US plugs. There's the lighting switch. The phone's gonna be on the other side. And then looks like we have one more switch. There's the light right there. And I think with this room, this one supports 4 people, because you can see that this opens here. So that obviously this can turn into a sofa bed, and then you can have another person on top. So yeah, up to 4 people can go in here. Here's the TV. A lot more drawer space here. So yeah, lots of drawer space. This is gonna be your fridge, so same size as the other one. And then here in the main drawers, you see all you have various drawers here to put more items. There's like a little chair here under that you can pull out. And then here's your stationaries, postcards, and then your room service menu. So if you're trying to do continental breakfast in the morning, you're gonna fill this out, hang it on your door. And then here's all the plugs. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like regular US plugs, 2 USBs, and then 1 220. So that does it. Oh, and here's obviously the TV. So let's take a look at the bathrooms. So this is gonna be a split bathroom, and this one's gonna have so we have a nice tub. Here's your shampoo products by C Marina. Like that it has the handlebar adjustable shower head. These are the little things to hang if you have wet clothing. That's what this is for. Let's see here. So you have your single sink, Mickey shaped towels, of course, and then split toilet. So it's gonna be its own dedicated toilet so that you all can do different businesses. Some space, for like products and stuff. Here's another sink right here. You get yourself a blow dryer, which turns on as soon as you pull it off. So that's nice. And then the final thing, the reason that you booked this room is for the veranda. So let's come to the top here, if I can figure out how to open it. Oh, so it goes to the top. There you go. So wow, it's a great view of the port here. So again, very similar to the one that we were just on. Great views of the city. And you can see in this one there's 2 chairs and a nice table. So pretty soon we're gonna be saying bye to San Diego. Gorgeous day today. So yeah, that does it for the room review. This is actually our first time staying in a veranda, so just kind of nice. We've never had the ability to just kind of, you know, walk out and enjoy the sea, relax. So we're gonna be doing that for the first time, so that'll be nice. So yeah, this is where we're gonna be. This is our home for the next 4 days until we get to Vancouver. So